Welcome to Maths with Soumya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this video, we learn easy way to evaluate the sums using trigonometric angles. So, how we can use the trigonometric angles in a very easy way, we learn in this video. In this sum, we will see how we evaluate using the trigonometric angle. So, first question says sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. I had told you in the last video how to remember the angles easily. If you have not seen, you can watch my video there. So 60 and 30, that's all we require. For 60 degree, sin is bigger, root 3 by 2, and this will be half. And here it interchanges the places. And this is root 3 and 1 by root 3. So here just interchanging the places. Now you have to just substitute. What is sin 60? Sin 60 here, root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2 plus. This is sin 30. Sin 30 here you are having 1 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Now, root 3 into root 3 will give you 3, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 4. This will give you 3 plus 1 by 4, which is 4 by 1, 4. 1 will be your answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Second sum in this. So, we have 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. I had told you in my video how you are going to remember these angles easily. So, we want 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. 60 degree will go like this, root 3 by 2, half root 3. So, here we interchange the values. This will take the reciprocal. This is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 and 1. Now, here 2 tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. 1 square. Cos 30. Cos 30. This one. So, cos 30. This one root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60. Sin 60 is here. Root 3 by 2. So, root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square get cancelled. 2 into 1 square 2. Hence, you got the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, we have cos 45 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. We have only two things, 30 and 45. So, we apply our thing till we memorize properly. So, 60, 30, 45. 60 will give you root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So, take the crossing here. They interchanges their places. This is root 3, 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1. Cos 45 degree. We can easily get from here 1 by root 2. But secant 30 degree. Secant 30. Secant means reciprocal of cos. So, we can take cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is how much from here? So, cos 30 degree is this one, root 3 by 2. Take the reciprocal of this. So, secant 30 is reciprocal of cos. So, we know secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So, reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. So, write 2 by root 3. Similarly, cosecant also we can find. Cosecant 30. Cosecant is reciprocal of sin 30. So, let us find sin 30. See, sin 30. How much is sin 30? 1 by 2. Write 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So you got the answer here for this also. So we can just write down what all the required answer for us. One side you can just put and substitute the values. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 put, divided by secant 30 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 30 2. We take the LCM. Nothing is there 1. So root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. 2 remains 1 and root 3. So root 3 goes to numerator. So 2 root 3 here we are getting. Now on further. This will give us root 3 goes here, taking the reciprocal. So we end up 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by, this is root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. Sorry. So this will be taking the reciprocal here. This will come 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide by root 2. So here we end up with root 6. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 plus 2 root 3. We can take the 2 common factor. Root 6 is 2 into 2. 1 plus root 3. So this will give root 6 divided by 4 into 1 plus root 3. Again we have to rationalize the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator here, multiply and divide by 1 minus root 3. So here root 6, 1 minus root 3 divided by 4 into 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3. So this 1 minus root 3 we multiplied and divide. Multiply this root 6 minus root 6 and root 3 will give you 18. 6 3s are 18. Because both are in the root, I can easily multiply. This is a plus b, a minus b. 1 minus root 3 whole square. So here further, root 6 as it is, this root 18 divided by here 4 into 1 minus 3. So this will give us root 6 minus root 18 divided by 4 into minus 2. This is root 6 minus root 18 divided by minus 8. So to remove the negative in the denominator, we can multiply and divide by the negative sign. Or whenever you have a minus b, you want to interchange the values here, you can take the negative sign out and interchange the values. Still you get the same answer, or you can say multiply and divide by the negative sign, minus 1. Now here I remove the negative out, so I can interchange this 18 minus root 6. This is minus 8, minus minus goes. 18 can be written as 9 2s are, root 6 as it is 8. So 3 can be taken out. 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. That will be the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this sum, we have been given here sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree. I will just put it a little bit here. This is divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So we have 30, 45, 60. We know how to remember the angles in a easy method which we have learned in our video. 30 and 45. So 60 is, we know, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Call it, interchange the space here. This is root 3 and this is 1 by root 3. This is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1. First one is what? Sine 30. Directly we can find here sine 30, which is 1 by 2. Right. Tan 45 degree. That is also direct here we can find. Tan 45 degree is 1. Cosecant 60. Cosecant 60. C is reciprocal of, yes, we know. Sine 60 degrees, how much? Find sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So, right. What is reciprocal of this? Reciprocal is 2 by root 3 and that itself is our cosecant 60 degree, reciprocal of sine. So, you just remember sine, cos, tan and you can easily find the rest. Next one, secant 30. So, we have to find secant 30. Yes, reciprocal of C. So, find cos 30. How much is cos 30 here? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. So, take 2 by root 3. Secant is also done. Now, cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree from the table, cos 60 which is 1 by 2, cot 45 degree, reciprocal of 1 which is also 1. So, we got all the values. Now, we have to just substitute them, that's it. So, let us substitute all these values. See, sine 30 is first one which is 1 by 2. In this place I substitute plus tan 45 degree, that is 1 here, put minus cosecant 60, 2 by root 3. Now, secant 30, that is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60, 1 by 2 plus 1. So, we substituted all the values. Now, it is just simplifying this and getting the answer. Take the LCM. LCM of this, nothing is there. 1 will be there in the denominator. 2 root 3. Here 2 goes, root 3 remains, which goes to the numerator. Just 1 is there. So, everything goes to the numerator. Root 3 get cancelled. 2 remains. 2 goes to the numerator. 2 2s are 4 and it is negative here. And now divided by here also. 2 root 3 is my LCM. Root 3 goes. 2 remains, goes to the numerator. 2 get cancelled. Root 3 remains, goes to the numerator. Plus 1. So, this is 2 root 3. So, these two can be get cancelled when you take the reciprocal. So, if you are getting confused how this will happen, we just do with the step also here. So, in this we can write root 3 plus 2 root 3, root 3 plus 2 root 3. We can get here, this is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. When you take the reciprocal, 2 root 3 goes here. This is again 4 plus 3 root 3 and these two get cancelled. So, we have left out here with 3 root 3 minus 4. This can be also written as 3 root 3 plus 4. Now, we have to rationalize this. Rationalize the denominator. You can say rationalize. That means multiply and divide by this particular one with the opposite sign. multiply and divide by opposite sign of the denominator. So 3 root 3 minus 4, because here 3 root 3 plus 4, you take the negative one, do it. Now what we get, this is 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. So this is a minus b into a minus b will give us a minus b whole square, or directly also you can multiply. This is a plus b into a minus b, 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. Now, simple, this is a minus b whole square formula. You can directly apply 3 root 3 whole square a square plus b square minus 2 into 3 root 3 and 4. And this is a square minus b square. That means you have to separately square 3 square and root 3 square. Don't forget this. 4 square will give you 60. This is 3 root 3 square, same. So 3 square you are separately you have to square it, you get 9. Root 3 square, root 3 into root 3 is 3. This is 16. Here you can multiply the numbers, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 4. 24 root 3 divided by here also 9 into 3 minus 16. (27) plus 16 minus 24 root 3. Here 27 minus 16. So here we get 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by, this is 27 minus 16 will give us 11. Here is the answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.